Hello friends, welcome to our channel and today we visited the court after long time. It is long time because for past 18 months courts were closed and virtual hearing was going on and which was not effective. At least we feel this, and even Supreme Court now saying that virtual hearing is not effective for the newcomers. New advocates are suffering because of the virtual hearing. So Supreme Court also has appealed from the lawyers that please come to the court and appear physically as much it is possible, because judiciary is also feeling that not much work is done throughout this COVID period. So we have to come back to the normalcy, just before the COVID time.
As you know that how the situation is going on, and how the COVID-19 affected us around the world, and how we suffered from this virus. Even not only the human like a holocaust we have seen in around the world, and still our even livelihood and work, everything is like a crippled. It's not working for properly. But it's very good news now, like the COVID-19 is like a disappearing slowly, just because of our strong effort. We are following the guidelines issued by the WHO and respective countries' guidelines. Here in India, as we know that it's very diversified country and kinds of culture and creed, so it's not easy, like it's too populated country over in this country, too much population, and to managing all these things is not easy for us. So we come to on the point that to being an advocate, we see that the client especially presume about that how the advocates just taking advantage of this time, because they are not appearing before the court and just taking money without any work. I would like to say to the especially those clients who think like that. Actually, it's not. We are compelled to do these things, but it's now good time. We already it's arrived, and even the as my colleagues, he said that the Supreme Court already appealed to those advocates who are not willing to appear physically for their respective matters. So it was appealed by the Supreme Court just to appear physically and do all the proper work and make your client satisfied. As we know that अच्छे दिन definitely will come to us just because our effort and support. So just support to our government and do the things as requested and issued by the guidelines issued by the WHO and our Indian government, Ayush Mantralaya. So do time to time your sanitizing your hands and make physical distance and just save yourself. So thank you very much.
We hope that you would love this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.